Look high in the sky, at a streak through the air. You'll know it's a comet, a sight strange and rare. Take heed and you'll know that before the dawn breaks, deep down in the darkness, something awakes.
Hey, did you guys see that comet last night?
No, but did you see that big green ball of light that flew by?
An ancient tale tells of a mysterious comet. And with it comes a legend.
Hello?
That is about to be unleashed.
What are you?
Well, that was interesting. Did you hear that roar? Was it like this? No. No. Fawn!
Yeah, if you hear that one, run.
The fairies will spread their wings and risk everything.
You're up to something.
Who, me?
You definitely are. I know that look. I invented that look.
To change the fate of Pixie Hollow.
Okay, just try not to scream. Shh, I'm not screaming. I'm gasping.
And make a friend for life.
I thought you said the legend wasn't real.
Technically, I said he's not what they think.
This might be a threat to Pixie Hollow.
What will you do if you find it?
My job.
Come on! Have I ever put you guys in danger?
I still can't sit up straight.
Does this look like the face of a dangerous predator to you?
Fawn's just got a big heart. That's all.
Let's move it out!
For once, my head and heart, they're actually telling me to do the same thing.
Disney's Tinkerbell and the Legend of the Neverbeast.
It's like you're a cross between Didelphis marsupialis and Bison occidentalis. That spits.
Ew, my skin is gonna break out.
We still sound the same.